how to remove the visual search image icon on Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Edge browser and then go to the three dots on the top right beside your profile and then head over to settings and then go to appearance on the left hand side. Then you'll need to scroll down and go to browser behavior and features. And here you'll find the enable visual search option. Just toggle it off. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.